Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Experiment setup.
This is the whole apparatus for our experiment setup. We have weight scale, beaker, liquid or fluid, different size of marble as our sample, and lastly, measuring cup. Safety procedure. Firstly, use proper and fully closed shoes before. Next, wear proper attire accordingly such as lab jacket and long pants for safety. Always remember to follow the lab and experiment procedure in conducting safe experiment.
Now, let's conduct our experiment 1. Remember, measure initial beaker's mass. Okay, in this section, we are going to measure densities of vinegar as our chosen fluids. Okay, first we need to obtain the first 20 ml of our vinegar by using measuring cup. After we obtain the 20 ml of our vinegars using measuring cup, we pour it into our beaker. And right after that, we weigh the vinegar's liquid mass combined with beaker's mass. Continuing with our experiment, we add another 20 ml of our vinegar into our beaker until it reaches up to 120 ml. At every interval of 20 ml of our vinegar, we record their mass too.
In this section, we will determine the density of a fluid by using palm cooking oil. Next, we pour 20 ml of palm cooking oil into the beaker by using measuring cup. The volume of oil added was recorded. We added another 20 ml of palm cooking oil into the same beaker. The total volume was precisely measured. This process was repeated for volume ranging from 40 ml up to 120 ml to obtain the corresponding mass measurement for each step.
Huh?
Experiment 2. For part 1, we used water. Step 1, beaker was filled with water. Step 2, the initial volume of water Pi was required. Step 3, small size marble for sample 1 was submerged into the water. New water level Vf was measured and recorded. Step 4, big size marble for sample 2 was submerged into water and new water level Vf was measured and recorded. The whole experiment procedure was repeated using palm cooking oil. The change in water volume then was calculated and recorded.